Question 4 asks, what is the y value of the solution to the matrix equation below? And yeah, we have a matrix equation. And remember, one of the ways to solve a matrix equation is just to multiply by the inverse of the matrix. So in other words, xy should be equal to, if I multiply by the inverse, you have to keep it on the same side. So since this began on the left-hand side, I have to keep it on the left-hand side because matrix multiplication is not commutative. So 3, 2, 2, 1, and then inverse. And then the other one, 3, 4. At this point, if you have a graphing calculator and wanted to save yourself some time, you could go ahead and just type that sucker in there. It'd be a piece of cake. But I'm going to go ahead and review on how to solve that thing by hand because it's not too difficult. Okay, so to find the inverse, you have 1 divided by the determinant of the original matrix and the coefficient matrix there. To find the determinant, we take these little cross products here. So the first one is 3 times 1, so that's 3, minus the other cross product, 2 times 2 is 4. Okay, and then times, and now we rearrange what's inside the original matrix. So the 1 and the 3 switch places, so 1 and a 3 here, and the ones on the other diagonal switch signs, so -2 and a -2. And now we're going to multiply that times 3, 4. And don't forget, whenever you go to multiply matrices, it is a row times a column. Good old RC Cola. So right up front, our determinant just simplifies as 1 over -1 times, and let's just go ahead and do the multiplication here. Let's make this totally colorful here. So I want this row times that column. So I have 1 times 3 and plus -2 times 4, so minus 8. And for the next one, let's see, how about orange? For the next one, I'm going to do this row times that column. That doesn't look orange, it looks brown. Anyway, -2 times 3 gives me -6, and 3 is plus 12. Okay, not too bad. Okay, so this is going to be equal to negative, it's still orange. On the top I got a -5, and on the bottom I have a +6, which makes this a +5 and a -6. And we were only looking for the y-coordinate there, so the y-coordinate has to be A. It is -6.